Are you tired of spending hours searching for the perfect image to go with your text? Introducing text-to-image technology, a revolutionary way to instantly transform your words into stunning visuals. With this cutting-edge innovation, you can now effortlessly create eye-catching images that perfectly complement your content. No more endless scrolling or costly stock photography. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all you creative souls out there. Are you ready to bring your text to life with stunning images? In this video, we'll show you how to use Canva's amazing free AI art generator #text-to-image feature. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Accessing Canva's text-to-image feature. To get started, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, don't worry, signing up is quick, easy, and free. Step 2. Select Whiteboard from Canva homepage. Step 3. On the editor side panel, click Apps. Under Create Something New, click on Text to Image. Now it's time to unleash your creativity. In the Text to Image window, you'll see a box where you can enter a description of the image you have in mind. The more details you can provide, the better Canva can match your vision. Step 4. Describe the image you want. Enter a description of the image you want to see. The more detail you can provide, the better. Be as detailed and specific as you can. Step 5. Choose a style and aspect ratio. Let's choose the style and aspect ratio for your image. Canva offers a variety of styles to match different moods and themes. Browse through the options and select the one that suits your vision best. Step 6. Generate the image. With your description and style selected, it's time to work the magic. Click on the Generate Image or Create Image button. Within moments, Canva's AI will create a beautiful image based on your text description. If you're not satisfied with the image, you can start over. You can create up to 100 images every day. Here are some of my stylish AI-generated art. Step 7. Edit Image. Select Edit Photo. Here you see a variety of editing options. Under Effects, you can remove the background, for example. Under Adjust, you can change the light such as brightness and/or contrast. You can also change the color and texture. Just play around until you have the image of your liking. Step 8. Add the image to your design. Your stunning image is now ready. To add it to your design canvas, simply click on the generated image, and it will be seamlessly integrated into your project. Step 9. Create another image. This is optional. Want to explore more possibilities? No worries. If you'd like to create another image with different details or styles, select Start Again. You can repeat the process and discover even more amazing results. Step 10. Download and share your AI-generated images. Finish up the AI-generated image by adding effects, filters, and other elements from the library. Download your AI-generated images, use them on your other Canva projects, or share them directly from Canva onto your online platforms. Congratulations, you've just mastered the art of using Canva's text-to-image feature. With this incredible tool, you can now turn your plain text into captivating visuals in a snap. So go ahead, get creative, and let your imagination run wild. Don't forget to share your incredible creations with the world. Share your design creation experience in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!